come. All right, I'm gonna pause here because I need 2 hands, but we're getting the emergency brake back in the socket. Get your holes lined up. Get your screws in there. You got 2 here. And then you have the 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like so. Oh, okay, I think we're lined up to the hole. Okay. Then tighten them down. You don't want to over snug because you don't want to snap your plastic. But get them in there snug because you don't want this thing rattling around everywhere. Now I did have to tug up on this a little bit harder. All right, now to get this back in, you'll have to put it in auxiliary mode. Push down on your brake pedal, pull it back, get your shifter knob, work it back in there. Tighten this down. And wada bing. Wada boom. There we go. That actually looks a lot better. I actually also even have the yellow shift piece here. The only thing I didn't hook back up, because I am going to take this back apart, but I just wanted to do this as a demonstration. I don't have the light hooked back up. And then on this, if you're a lady, you probably need to use both hands or find a guy to help you out, because this emergency brake is difficult, but you gotta pull up. You gotta pull up on the emergency brake to let it back down. So again, I'll show you. When you pull it up, see, I can't release it just like this. I have to pull it up, then I can release the emergency brake. And that's how you do it. That's how you remove the center console to change your shift bezel. This bezel here, it's quick, easy. Pop these 2 out, just grab, pop out. You got a screw on that side and a screw on that side. Pull these out, there's 4 of them. Then gently from the top, and then come down here, and you got 2 pins or metal pins that rivet in there, and just pop those out. All right, thank you all for watching. Please like, subscribe if you haven't, and hopefully I'll have more neon videos. I will be getting some PT Cruiser videos because my wife is buying another one. So it's a newer PT Cruiser. It's 2007, so there's going to be a few tricks and trades for those, because I've had some questions on newer PT Cruisers, so I figured we would go ahead and get us one. That way I could actually start answering, because there's a big difference between a 07 PT Cruiser and a 2002 PT Cruiser. Same thing, in a sense, from an 05 neon to a 2000 neon. And by the way, this shift bezel and this AC radio bezel actually came out of an 05, and the car was actually orange, which, you know, was kind of cool. All right, well, thank you all for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment below. And remember, if it's broke, fix it.